Gentlemen, here we are again, testing out the boost controller now. It's a mindless banter and getting it out onto the road, and we're going to test the new vacuum line routing and see what the wastegate is. It was approximately 4 pounds before, so roll into it a little bit here and see how it does.
And I did 111 degrees. Roll in and see what kind of wastegate we make. It'll be pretty low. Yeah, it's definitely low.
Alright, and yes indeedy, that was the first roll in with the wastegate only, with the boost controller shut off, and we saw, 130 kPa, which, do the math for you guys, is roughly 4.3 psi, so everything is back to normal. The same nice wastegate low reference to test everything from. I bumped the boost controller on to about 15%, rolled into it, and only got about 137 kPa, which is normally what you're gonna see. So I go right here and I go right to 25% to get a little bit better of a baseline how much duty cycle is gonna add some boost.
I barely made any more boost, so I want to go right for a good result, a good jump. And nice lean spot. Whoop, 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 whoop.
And now here we are with log number 2, basically at 25%, and we see a nice 150 kPa, which is approximately 7 pounds. So that is a great result. Yeah, 7.2 psi on 25% on the boost controller. So great start. Let's keep pushing the issue. All right, and the follow-up to this is at 50%, I'm making approximately 186 kPa, which is I think like 12 pounds. 186, yeah, about 12 pounds at 50%. So that's another good result. Very happy with that. And then at 68% here, we started really seeing some juice. 222 kPa. At 68%, 222 is like 18, 19? Yeah, 18. Awesome. So then I record, as I'm pushing it here, I'm not getting much fuel in up top. So what I do is I add a little bit more fuel and more boost, and I have a video clip of that, nice and raunchy. We'll jump to that.
All right, we'll prop the camera, drive 3 for some audio. But I'm not going to hold it because it's going to be stupid, and if I have to do some fast steering, Alright, we're in 3rd. Boost controller's on 75%. 2. Let's get some speed, come around this corner. Still have a 12.7 air fuel up top, so I'd say we're out of a pump. I'll check the duty cycle on the injectors on both of those runs.
And then here we are at 75% duty cycle. I was in the 235 kPa range. 35, yeah, tickling 20 pounds, and I put more fuel in it, and I was still in the mid-12s using 36% of the injector on 61% ethanol. So this would be a good point to put it on the dyno, I think. Conservative spark still for that much boost on E, I think, and see how the power does in relation to boost and how much fuel I have. But around 18-20 pounds, I'm out of that single pump, I believe. So it'd be neat to make some polls, see what kind of power it makes, pretty much verify that it's out of single fuel pump at that ethanol content, and then go for the second pump and lean on it as long as everything seems safe, right? That's always the funny thing to say.